In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play creative mode in Bedwars. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily go into creative mode by yourself or how to access other creative mode worlds. So when you join Bedwars, you will be able to walk through the lobby, and then you have the standard modes. So you have Ranked Play, Sky Wars, Lucky Block, and Bedwars Classic, of course. And then over here, we have some alternative modes. So we have Win Streaks 1v1, No Build, Infected, and finally, creative. So this is where we're going to be able to host a party or a game to go into creative mode by ourselves or in a private match with only our friends and people you want to invite, or alternatively, you can join other people. So when you interact with this NPC here, creative, you will then be able to browse through all of the servers and maps that you can join. These maps are rated by the community and they are created by the community. So you can go over here and find some fun games to play. As you can see, Color Block, for example, is a mini game obby, and then you have Glide Wars, which is the same thing but with PvP, and so on, and each of them are ranked here, and you will be able to look for them by using a map code. You can click view more and browse through a variety of maps. There is a lot to find here, so take your time and find whatever you prefer. So you can also create your own game. So if you go over here to create a game, you will be able to set up a private lobby, and it is what I'm going to highlight in this video. So I'm going to choose my map. You can set it as random. You can change the mode. There are way too many modes, so you take your time, carefully go through all of this, especially if you are going to be inviting your friends for you guys to play together. But regardless, once you get inside, you will load in. Each of you will have to select the squad, and then you can go ahead and start the match. Now, all that you have to do to actually go into creative mode, because you will notice that if I open my inventory, I'm not in creative just yet, you have to open the chat and type /GM space 1. So in chat, type /GM space 1 and immediately set game mode to creative for yourself. So now you are ready to pick whatever items you want to use, equip them here, and you will be able to fly around, use the wands, the world edit wand, the world guard wand, and it is extremely simple to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to play creative mode in Bedwars. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.